Hello, I'm Leo Scott, and welcome to this companion video for Inside OpenFlow's article on custom Mininet topologies and introducing Atom. Our main segment will cover creating and testing custom Mininet topologies. However, since this is the first article covering writing any code, this smaller segment will cover the installation and setup of the IDE we use at Inside OpenFlow, Atom. For detailed instructions, see the full article linked in the description below. We are continuing with the virtual workspace created in the previous articles. Open up a browser and go to atom.io and click the Download Deb button. Once downloaded, click the file in the bottom of the browser to open up the package in the Ubuntu software installer. Click on the Install button. You will need to enter your password to continue. After a moment, the button will change to Remove, indicating that Atom is now installed, and restart your virtual machine. After restarting, open the dash again and type Atom. The Atom application should now show under Applications. Drag this icon to the launcher. Click the Atom launcher and the welcome guide will show on its first run. From here, you can view the documentation, open a project, install packages, and other actions. All of these actions, and nearly any other action available in Atom, can be found in the command palette, which is accessed by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P. For example, type Welcome and press Enter, and the welcome screen will show again. You can install packages from the welcome screen, or directly install from the Settings tab. We will now install a few packages to aid in development. These are listed fully in the article, along with their purpose. For each package, search for the package name and click the Install button in the associated package cards. At times, there will be many results for a package search. Just scroll down the page until you find the exact package card. There may be notifications that package dependencies are being installed. It is safe to close these notifications. If you're a Vi or Vim user such as myself, a couple of packages that are very useful are Vim mode and X mode. If you are not used to Vim key bindings and modal use, we recommend skipping the installation of these two packages. To make the screenshots and videos easier to read, I changed Atom's themes to Atom Light. Choose whatever is most comfortable for you, and feel free to search for other themes that may be close to other editors you might be familiar with. Go ahead and close the Settings and Welcome tabs. We will need to configure the autocomplete package for Python. Load the Settings tab through the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P, then typing Settings, or use the direct shortcut of Ctrl-, Click Packages on the left side, then click on the Autocomplete Python card. By default, the autocomplete package will not find Mininet's definitions if you followed the instructions in the previous articles. The autocomplete settings allow specifying additional paths to search for Python libraries. If following the previous articles, Mininet source code will be available in your home directory under ofworkspace/Mininet. Once entered, close the Settings tab. You can add project directories by using Open Project Folder under the File menu, or use the command line. Go to the OF Workspace directory and tap Item -A Ryu to add the Ryu project directory, and so on. Switching back to Atom, you should now see the Ryu and Mininet project folders added to Atom. It is now possible to browse the Python files. Opening our Simple Switch application will show linting errors from Pylint. These can be ignored safely, and the list can be closed by clicking on the Currently Open Issues tab. In this case, issues for the file itself. It is also possible to jump to the definition of nearly any imported Python object in the code. Hold down Ctrl and hover over the variable names. Clicking on an underlined name will bring you to the definition of that variable. For example, looking for the definition of packet opens the init Python module that itself imports and exports packet from another module. A more direct example would be the OpenFlow protocol module. From this, we can see all the OpenFlow protocol definitions. Also, the mini-map on the right side makes it easy to quickly browse through the full length of the code. This also works while deep in the code, and will find definitions even in the same file. As a final example, control-clicking on an inherited class for the Simple Switch app opens the definition for that inherited class, in this case, the Ryu app base class. This concludes the Atom installation and setup overview video for the Inside OpenFlow article, Custom Mininet Topologies, and Introducing Atom. The next video will be the main segment for this article, where we will explore the development evolution of a more realistic network topology. We hope you've enjoyed this overview, and please check out the full article for complete instructions and explanations. Happy coding!